Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the VECELO Nightstands Set of 2, a perfect blend of modern design and industrial charm for your bedroom or living room. These stylish nightstands feature a classic wood tabletop paired with a sleek black steel frame, offering a vintage look that complements any decor. Each table includes a convenient drawer and an open storage shelf, ideal for keeping your essentials like lamps, books, or gadgets neatly organized. Crafted from high-quality MDF board, these nightstands are not only durable but also stable, thanks to their adjustable metal feet pads that ensure balance on uneven surfaces. Whether used as a side table, end table, or bedside companion, these versatile pieces protect your floors with their thoughtful design. Assembly is a breeze with detailed instructions and labeled parts, allowing you to set up your new nightstands in just 15 to 20 minutes. Enhance your space with the VECELO nightstands and enjoy a tidy, organized environment with a touch of industrial elegance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.